Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Okay. I am going to flood the Donut SMP. I'm broke right now, so don't mind that. I hope it works. Okay, a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. I think this is gonna be it. Yeah, okay. Oh, I just had enough. Okay. Ready? What? What'd I do wrong? Mm-hmm. Oh, there. Not under. Is it working? It's working. I mean, over there it kind of broke, but who cares? It's still working. It's working. It's working. Let's go. Oh my god. This is crazy. I mean, over there it stopped, but who cares? Look, it's working. I don't care if there's just a little bit. No. We'll just watch it. I think I was like breaking it or something when I was sitting on the boat. This is crazy. It broke. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, it didn't break. Bro, this is crazy. Oh my god. Wait. Can I go back in the boat? It's going pretty slow. Not gonna lie. Never mind. Nope, it's not letting me go on the boat. Okay, I guess I'll just be here. Why is it like glitching? Oh my god, this is crazy. I mean, I am flooding an ocean, right? Yeah, I'm flooding an ocean, but eventually it'll go across the ocean. If you see this, this is the chords. So, that's the chords right here. If you want to check it out, right there, yeah. Let's check the specs on my GPU and stuff. I mean, it's a laptop, so like, but it's kind of good. But these are the chords, so you can come check it out if you want. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's gonna go on forever. I don't know what's wrong with the boat though. No, 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 no. Whew. That was close. Do I pork chop? Oh, yes, I have pork chop. This is crazy. Oh my god. There's a mushroom island over there. This is crazy. Bro. Okay, if you want to check it out, it's at these chords. And okay, bye bye.